Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to discuss about a new chapter, the articles, which is including in Standard 8's English Part 1 Reader, page number 60. So, when we think about articles, it is otherwise known as the determinants, which means it should be confident and concrete. Okay? So, articles are majorly using either with singular nouns or with adjectives. So, articles can be divided into two. One is the definite article and the other is the indefinite article. So, first of all, we are going to the first part, that is the definite. So, the particular word means, definite means it is fixed. Okay. So, only one article is there, that is the or the. We can simply spell it THE. The. It means it is constant. Unfortunately, we people are misusing that particular word. So, before that, we know how to use this particular article just before either a singular noun or an adjective. So, majorly four reasons or four situations this the definite article should use. First, the universal truth or the only one in the world. Then, secondly, if you want to specify anything, we can use the definite article. The third one, the designations or the posts which the persons occur. And the fourth one is with the superlative degree. These are the major usages. So, shall we analyze one by one? Okay, do you get me? Yeah. So, first one, with the universal truth or only one in the world. For example, the sun rises in the east. The Himalayas, the Everest, the Indian Republic, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, etc. etc. Then the second one, to specify anything. So if you want to specify any particular thing, we can use the article, or it is also known as the determinants. Okay. So last month we visited a place. The place is very nice. Another one, yesterday we watched a movie. The movie is very nice. Okay. Then the third one is designations. So designation means the professional situation or professional category. So for example, the President of India, the Prime Minister of India, the Chief Minister of Kerala, something like that. Okay. And the fourth one is with the superlative degree. Superlative degree means it is the ultimate. So that means in grammatically we can simply call it as the rest of the word. The rest of the word means it is ultimate. So, for example, Himalaya is the highest mountain in India. Then the Nile is the longest river in the world. Okay, so the highest, the greatest, the lowest, the smallest, the biggest, and so on. Can you follow me? Okay, so that's all the definite article. Then shall we go to the indefinite article? So that particular word indicates it is not at all definite. It is indefinite or vague. So in that particular head, there are two articles are there. One is a and the other is an. As we know, these two articles mainly using just before singular nouns or adjectives. So commonly we are using singular nouns to specify anything. And before that I would like to say something. As we know about the English literature or English alphabet, there are 26 alphabets. So we can separate into two. The first part is the vowel, that is 5 in number, and the rest 21, that is known as consonant or consonants. Okay. So while we are discussing about this indefinite article, it is very, very important. So commonly we are using a, that particular article, indefinite article, just before the singular noun. For example, a pen, a TV, a book, a bus, a bag, a coat, etc., etc. And other words, an. An is also using a singular noun, but it's a peculiarity. There is a peculiarity because an is always using with starting vowel words. While we are considering about a, it is always using with a consonant, and an is always using with a vowel. For example, an umbrella, an aeroplane, an Indian, something like that. But there is an exception. If a noun is starting with a consonant, but the pronunciation is in a vowel sound, we can use an. For example, an hour, an honorary person, an honorable person, an honest man, an hotel, an hostel, etc., etc. All these words, the particular word letter consonant H is silent. And other side, if a noun is starting with a vowel, but the pronunciation is in a consonant sound, we can use a. For example, a university, a union member, a universal truth, a unique personality, a European, etc., etc. So, shall we wind up? So, before that, I would like to summarize the whole part of the article. So, it is clearly meant or described in the textbook, and there is a definite and indefinite article. Two types of articles are there. One is definite and the other is indefinite. Definite is the or the, and indefinite is a or an. All these articles are commonly using just before a noun or an adjective. Okay, got it? And I already discussed about the various usages of these articles. So, thank you very much.